Based on your requirements in drawing, sometimes you need to widen or compress ladder. So to do that, I'm going to Edit Components panel and choose the Scoot tool. Now I will be asked in the command line to select a wire. I select the wire that I want to reposition and then place it at the location that I want. Note that you can move the reference numbers to create ladder. Again, to show you another example, I will compress it. As you know, the command will be continued until you press escape and it's done.